Alright, so I woke up today and I decided, I wish I woke up in Paris. How can I make that happen? And then I thought to myself, didn't you just buy a bunch of stuff to make green screens because you wanted to try and make green screens that were cheap and affordable? And I decided, why not make myself appear to be in Paris? And now I'm in Paris. I decided, you know what? I want an easier video to do today. So I decided, why not kill two birds with one stone? Make my green screens to show you guys how easy and cheap it can be. And at the same time, I get to test how the Hero 7 Black versus the Hero 8 Black does with green screens. And even better, I found some old green clothes, and I'm gonna put them on in front of it so I can be a floaty head. Alright, maybe I should just go to the studio and start setting up. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you about green screens and why it's a total waste of money to buy one of those really, really expensive ones unless you actually do, like, movies in a studio and such. But these green screens are just as good. Well, at least this one behind me is just as good. And I got it for $5. The rest of the ones in my video go anywhere from free to maybe $5 or $6. So if you want to make a green screen for cheap, I'm about to show you. And as a little bonus, I'm going to show you a couple free ones and just ones that are, I don't know, fun and out in the world, just to show you how ridiculous it is to pay more than $10 for your green screen. Alright, first off, I found this in my clothes from years ago. Abercrombie and Fitch was really into like greens and blues a little bit back, and I bought this and it just happened to be the same green as the background. I'm wearing them backwards because I don't have this thing right here in the video, but I just wanted to be able to show how even the suit part you can pretty much do at home. I'm going to show you how to do it with green paper, with piece of plastic, Post-it notes, balloon, those construction paper things that you used to get for school, this magical piece of fabric. First, I just want to do something a little fun. Wait, what are you doing? Don't poke me. Ow. Ow. Right, now to get serious. For the first green screen, I'm going to use wrapping paper, which is the holiday season, so it's the best time to get it. Alright, first you're going to want tape. Then you're going to want to hang it. Then you're going to want to flatten it and make sure it's all smooth. Alright, so right now I'm on some green wrapping paper, but really I am making money. I am making money. I'm walking on water. Best thing about wrapping paper is it's easy to roll up. You can even keep it for next time. Okay, this next one is the construction paper that you used to get for school. Super cheap. I got it for like 60 cents a sheet. And you could just use one if you were just doing like a headshot or maybe doing an object that's smaller. This next one is easy too. You just tape them on the wall like the wrapping paper. and get ready to go. But what do I want behind me? Eaten by something bigger than me? Maybe you're in school. Maybe you're even the teacher. Hey students, do some schoolwork. I don't know. Maybe. Or maybe you're in bed and your parents wouldn't buy you that galaxy whatever stuff you put on the ceiling, so you decided you wanted your own galaxy. Ooh. Or maybe you have like some homework thing where you need an atlas and you're too cheap to buy one, but you have a balloon. This is just some plastic I found in my laundry room. I felt clocks were appropriate because I just decided to fuck around for a little bit and waste some time. I am floating head. I'm floating head. I mean, that's not really how you're supposed to do it, but I don't know, maybe. Alright, to put this one up, just let it hang like off the tape. I just let mine fall into place. So, I mean, it would be great to have this, like, as a cheap alternative if you don't have, like, a green glove or something to mask it here. Which we wanted to put Legos on here. It's not good. Now for my robot dick's return. And now, it's gonna be in a futuristic making colorful smoke. Just something that's like Instagram. Alright, so I'm gonna try and post on Instagram. Okay, so you've seen a few different ones. I think it's time to take it out into the wild, just so you can see how easy it truly is to make anything a green screen. Alright, to prove my point that anything could be a green screen, here's a green car. I'm gonna turn it into a green screen. There we go, airplane, not across the building. Oh, get out of my way, cars. I'm trying to make green things in the lava. You just see a mailbox, but what do I see? Isn't it amazing? How cool! Alright, so now that I've done a few green screens that are cheap and easy and just explored out in the world a little bit, I'm going to take it a step further. And after I'm done posting this video, I'm going to make another one that goes a little more into the details of how to actually make them look good. Because this video, I was very careful not to do anything that would cost money. More than, $5 to $10 in total between what I used to put it up and what I used for the materials. Some were even free. And I did not use expensive software editing or expensive lights or cameras or anything to adjust it. I just used the regular camera setting and the material that I showed. So, as a follow-up, I'm going to be doing a short show that just tells you how to actually make it look professional instead of, the instant 5-minute little clips where I just put the screen on. So if you're interested in learning how to do the lights, camera, action thing, the whole shebang, and then the editing, check out my next video on green screens. Most importantly, I almost forgot. Okay, Google,
Add at Rose's Raw Reality to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and to like, subscribe, share, and comment here on YouTube.
Thanks for watching, y'all.